Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you the football edits tutorial on CapCut. So if you want to create amazing football edits like the ones you see on Instagram Reels, TikTok or YouTube Shorts, in this video I'll show you full step-by-step tutorial on how you can edit football clips in CapCut so they look smooth, cinematic and viral worthy. So first you can just add the clips that you want to edit. So here I've already added 2. You can always add more if you want to. Now click on the first clip and go to the speed in here. Choose curve. Select custom. Click on edit and then remove 2 beats, the second and the third. Just go to the beats and click on delete beats where it is. And then set the speed like I do in here. Now click on smooth slow-mo and choose the better quality option. Tap on the check icon and CapCut will now applying the smooth slow motion. So here is the result. Now you can just add 2 keyframes, one at the start and the other one at the end of the clip. And on the second key, you can just zoom it in like this. Now click on grabs and choose the linear options. Click on adjust and now add beats like this and adjust the grabs like this. Hit on the check icon. Now click on a clip and choose duplicate. Now on the second one in here, tap on reverse. Okay, just wait until it's done. Now the video is reversed. You can just play the preview to see the result. Okay, now if you have more than 2 clips, more than 1 clip, you can just repeat the exact same steps for the rest. So that's pretty much all. Whether you're editing for football highlights, montages, or social media reels, this guide will help you make your edits look clean, stylish, and professional. That's pretty much all. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and also click on the thanks. I'll see you all on the next tutorials. Bye!